In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Klaviyo profiles. If you're looking to retrieve and export your audience data from Klaviyo, you've landed in the right place. Klaviyo is a popular email marketing platform that allows companies to connect with their customers efficiently, and knowing how to download profiles is a key skill to have. Let's dive right into it. To start, make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account and you've navigated to the Klaviyo homepage. From here, the first thing you'll want to do is locate and click on the Audience tab. This section is your gateway to managing all your contacts and lists in Klaviyo, where you can gain insight into your audience engagement and behavior. Next, within the Audience section, you need to click on Profiles. This is where all the data regarding individual contacts is stored. Once you're in the Profiles section, you'll see a list of the profiles, providing detailed information about each individual contact in your audience. Now, it's time for you to choose the profiles you wish to export. Take your time to decide if you need specific profiles or a broader dataset based on what you're aiming to achieve with this exported data. After selecting the profiles, the next step involves clicking on the Profile Actions button. This will present you with different actions you can perform on the selected profiles. Among these options, you'll find the Export Profile. Clicking on this initiates the process of exporting the profile data you've highlighted. Once you've clicked Export Profile, a prompt will appear asking for your confirmation to proceed with exporting the selected profiles. It's essentially Klaviyo's way of making sure that you really mean to go through with this action. When you're ready, simply click Start Export. This confirms your action and sets the wheels in motion for the export process. There you have it. You've successfully initiated the export of Klaviyo profiles. This will save the profiles in a format that you can use for further analysis or to upload to another platform if needed. Remember, understanding how to efficiently manage and manipulate your audience data is crucial in making informed business decisions. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide has demystified the process for you. With practice, navigating and exporting data from Klaviyo will become second nature. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.